Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Artika Sonolok sound absorbing wall panel kit. If you've been dealing with heavy echoing rooms or looking to improve your audio setup, or you just want to add some modern design to your walls, this might be exactly what you need. Here we go. So what do you get in the box? Well, each Sonolok kit comes with 4 panels, each measuring from 23.6 inches by 23.6 inches, giving you roughly 15.5 square feet of coverage. The construction is interesting. You get MDF substrates with a veneer top layer that is extremely high quality and has this high density felt backing. These panels feel and look really nice. You can actually tell they are of premium quality. You also get most of the mounting hardware needed for these wood panels here. More on that later in the video. You also have a few different color options that you can pick from: oak, walnut, dark gray, and black. Now let's talk about how these look. In all honesty, I think they look fantastic. In fact, they are gorgeous. The wood panel slat design is super trendy right now. It actually has that modern Scandinavian vibe, and it works well in so many different interior styles in rooms. I installed mine, as you can see right here, for my YouTube and gaming setup, and I just absolutely love it. It's a little bare right now, but I'm still adding to the wall, so you'll see it progress in future videos. So you might as well hit that subscribe button. Something worth noting is the outer wood slat, which is what I have here in my hand, actually has this nice beveled edge, giving it this rounded outside smooth transition look. However, the ones that go on the wall that are the inner slats actually are straight 90-degree cuts. So they can be a little sharp, which means they could snag on something. So just be careful if you're actually gonna touch it with clothing or your hands. Now you're probably wondering, how was installation? Surprisingly, it was straightforward. Now you don't know this, but I'm an idiot and I figured it out. The mounting hardware is included and you can install these on walls or ceilings. Once you kind of have everything laid out and you measure it all out, the mounting takes like no time. Just make sure that you measure and mark your placements before you start drilling. The panels themselves are actually lightweight enough to handle with ease, but they are substantial enough that they will stay in place once they're mounted. One more thing that's worth mentioning when it comes to the installation process of these right here is that you actually need to buy an adhesive spray or caulking for the mounting process that will go on the back here. Now it's not 100% necessary, but trust me, it makes a huge difference and it's actually easier to install when you have that adhesive. Which means that's a separate extra purchase that you have to make, but don't worry, I'll put a link down below to the adhesive caulking that I use that worked perfectly on these behind me. All right, now for the most important part. How do they actually perform? Well, rather than being sound absorbing, they're more like sound dampening, and that's how they should truly be marketed. They will help with the acoustics in your room wherever you mount them, bringing down echoes and dampening high frequency sounds, giving you more, let's just say, sound control of the environment in which they're mounted in, which is awesome. But don't expect any huge changes in the sound quality with these right here. These are more for aesthetics, as you can see, but they do control sound dampening extremely well. Just don't expect sound absorbing. So is there anything bad about them? You know, not really actually. I was actually amazed at how easy they were to install. And like I said, I'm kind of an idiot. I was a little scared, but they went up no problem. I mean, honestly, anyone can do it. Some things that I do want to make sure that you're aware of is the felt can be extremely messy when you're cutting them with a saw, so make sure you do it in a garage or outside. Also, one thing I wish I took more time doing is inspecting the actual wood slat panels for defects or flaws. There aren't any big ones, but if there's kind of like a certain design that you don't like that's at eye level, just put that panel lower or higher. I wish I would have taken more time. I was more worried about the installation process and getting everything up that I should have taken more time when I laid it out to inspect all the panels if they had a certain grain type or a certain flow that I liked more that I could have put, you know, at a certain height for me. That's not gonna bother me. And also make sure you have the right tools for cutting out sections for things like wall plugs and outlets, as those are the most difficult part when you're installing these things. Now, would I recommend these? 100% yes, absolutely. These things are perfect for anyone setting up a home theater, home office, content creation space, gaming station, anything like that. If you're looking to reduce echoes in a particular space and you want some style, these are awesome. One panel kit comes usually between $50 and $75 depending on where you buy it. The cheapest place I've been able to find it and where I got it from was Costco, and they're sold for right around 50 bucks. I would first check there because that's going to be the best price. But if you're looking for other best places to buy it at cheap prices, click down in the description below and look at the links that I put down there to find it at the most affordable spots for you and the colors that you're looking for. Oh, and by the way, those links do help me out, so you know what? Thank you very much. Now, if you end up getting these wood panels, you probably want some cool lights to cascade and glow on them, just like these Govee lights behind me. And you can check that video out over to my side, because just look how beautiful this glow is. In fact, let me make it better there for you so that way you can truly see it. Check out that video, and I will catch you all in the next 1UP review. Take care, and of course, peace.